Hello student, welcome all of you. I hope you are watching all these video series regularly and you are doing study oriented to these notes which is teach by me, and you are doing study, you are doing some more exercise problems from our exercise. So student, this is a lecture for BSc first year student. Differential geometry paper is our paper is only geometry, and differential geometry is a higher level studies subject. Differential geometry, we are only discussing geometry. Paper is fourth paper and our semester is second semester. So student, today we are going to discuss what is meant by projection of a point on the line. Projection of point. So if any point is given in the space, then how we can finding the projection of that point on the some given line. The foot of the perpendicular. See firstly definition. The foot of the perpendicular from a given point on a given line, on a given straight line. This word is an important word. On a straight line is called the orthogonal projection, that means perpendicular projection, or simply the projections of the point on the line. That means whenever the point is there, and if we have to find its projection on the line L, then we have to find or we have to draw perpendicular on that line, and then we have to find the projection of that point on that line. And what is that projection of point? Projection of point is nothing but foot is only the projection of that point. That means suppose this is a line, this is a plane, this total is a plane, and I choose this is a line, x line, and this is a point P. So what will be the projection of this point on this line? So then we have to draw a perpendicular and we get P dash is the projection of that point P, isn't it? So how we can find the projection, or on which factor the projection of point is based? So projection of the point is based is on just we have to draw the perpendicular on that specific line on which we have to find the difference, what is that? The projection of the point. Okay. So suppose if a plane are different, then projection will be different. Different planes, different projection of that points will be there. So now dear student, next is theorem, and look it, be carefully, because this theorem asked in examination up to 7-8 times to till date. So try to understand, because we can make one MCQs on this theorem. We can make MCQs on this theorem. So you have to read it, be carefully, and try to understand. What is the theorem? The projection of segment AB on a line CD is AB cos theta. Projection of segment AB. So projection of point is very simple. Projection of point is very simple. Now we discuss the projection of straight line. The projection of a segment AB on line CD is AB cos theta. And what is that value? AB cos theta. So in next step, where theta is the angle between the lines AB and CD. Now projection of the line AB on the CD, and ABCD angle between them is theta, is the angle between the line AB and CD. Then we can find projection of the line AB on the line CD is AB cos theta. So isn't it? Now we discuss it proof. Let the plane through the point A and B perpendicular to the line CD. See here, this is line CD, and to this line CD, these two planes are parallel and perpendicular to CD. Meet the line CD in A dash B dash. So this plane meet to the line CD at the point A dash and meet to the line CD at the point B dash. So A dash B dash is the projection of AB. A dash B dash is the projection of AB. Now don't you raise a question. So why not A and P? AP is projection of A dash B dash. So projection means we have to draw the perpendicular from that point. Now this point B is in cross manner. So we cannot draw perpendicular from B to B dash. We cannot draw perpendicular from B to B dash. So we draw perpendicular to this and then perpendicular to this B dash. So projection of this B is B dash, and this is a straight perpendicular, and therefore projection of A is A dash. But this point is slightly crossable, and therefore it is cross point, and therefore we take perpendicular firstly to this point and after that perpendicular to this, and therefore projection of B is B dash and projection of A is A dash. Don't raise the question why P is not why not projection of B dash is P, and why we have not taken there, we have not taken that points, because I have to find, or we have to find projection of the line AB, so we are not considering this point P. Okay, I hope you understand it, or if any doubts you can comments on that point. I will try to solve your difficulty, definitely, be sure. Then, though the point A, draw a line AP parallel to CD. I draw the line AP parallel to CD to meet the plane through the point B at P. Isn't it? Now see here, this AP parallel to CD, yes, AP parallel to CD, and parallel to CD means parallel to A dash B dash, no doubt. This angle PAB, consider this angle is the theta, PAB, then BP line in the plane which is perpendicular to angle APB is equal to 90 degree, hence AP is equal to AP cos theta. If we find the value AP, because if we take the cos theta, what is cos theta? Cos theta is nothing but adjacent side divided by angle, that is AB, sorry, opposite side, that is hypotenuse AB. So after taking this, we get AB cos theta is equal to AP. Actually, what is the AP? AP is nothing but A dash B dash, because this is the rectangle. So here, angle APB 90 degree, hence AP is equal to AB cos theta. Clearly A dash B dash P is the rectangle. So AP is equal to A dash B dash, hence A dash B dash is AB cos theta. So dear student, in next lecture we will discuss some problems or some concept depend on this projection. Thank you very much.